Wanna know how to update Java 17 or JDK 17 in your Windows? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, in order to update, the best thing you can do is simply uninstall the current Java version. So for that, just simply open up your latest JDK version and then just simply uninstall it. Super simple and easy. Now what you need to do is just simply download it. So we have created a video on how to download JDK 17, so make sure to watch it. And once you've done that, just simply open up the installer that is located right here. Now just simply follow the steps and then install the JDM 17. Now just simply select close and now simply open up the command prompt. So for that, head towards the search bar, type cmd and then right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator. Now once the cmd opens, just simply typing java spacebar dash version. So this should show your Java 17 version or JDK 17 version. So right here, as you can see, the Java version is shown 17.0.2 and that's it. Super simple and easy. Your Java has been successfully updated. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.